The building will now house our executive administration offices, human resources department, college relations office, and other administration offices. The renovation project was obviously extensive. The building needed everything from new walls, floors and ceilings, plumbing, electrical wiring, and elevator upgrades. I'm happy to say that throughout the renovation, the heart and soul of the building was maintained. We think she's ready for the next 90 years. How about that? So without further ado from your president, now please welcome to the podium Carol Scott, chairwoman of the Del Mar College Board of Regents.
Though we never forget who made this growth and modernization possible. It's you, the community, the voters, and the taxpayers in our taxing district. This renovation and many others started with a $157 million bond referendum approved by the voters in 2014. And as you will see, the bond funds have been put to good use with an eye on good stewardship. So on behalf of the Del Mar College Board of Regents, we thank you. We thank the Del Mar College community, and we thank the citizens of Nueces County for sharing our vision for the future.
Altogether, the college has been a shaper of communities. Our community on the local level, but also on state, national, and even at times international scales. We can see that throughout its long history now on 90 years. But more than anything, it's a story of people making their communities better, making the world around them a better place. A number of them we may have heard of before as accomplished individuals that have made a name for themselves and for good reasons. Business leaders like Red McCombs, academic leaders, many to mention there, including a couple of Pulitzer Prize winners, one who is a student here, Larry Price, another a faculty member, J.A. Carroll, and this would also include civil rights leaders like Tony Bonilla, a past president of LULAC, an organization founded right here in Corpus Christi, or the students who courageously sent a message to the nation by desegregating Del Mar College 2 years before the legal mandate of Brown versus Board of Education. Not to say there weren't some tensions and struggles in that process. We have civic leaders like Edith Parker, who as a history professor here before that moment had been a legislative aide to Senator Tom Connolly and co-authored the Declaration of War on Japan in defense of American democracy after Pearl Harbor. And these are just a few of the people that we could list among many in the rich history of this college.
We spent a lot of the summer of 2017 visiting the La Retama Library Public History Wing and the Del Mar College White Library. We went through so many vertical files, microfiche, old yearbooks, old registries, anything we could get our hands on. And most importantly, we read through the Del Mar College Foghorn. We went from every issue we could find from 1936 to 2000. So that was a lot of reading, but we had a blast doing it. And we often commented to each other about how we felt like we were detectives or explorers kind of puzzling out a case or, finding some mystery. And it wasn't until I got to graduate school that I learned that this was kind of a common motif for historians that spend a lot of time in archives, so I felt like I was in good company. One of the things that was really amazing to this project for me was how it felt like it was more than just Preston and I doing this. This has been a community effort, and this has been a Del Mar College effort, which is very appropriate to me because Del Mar College is a community college. And I just want to say thank you all very much for this opportunity and for all being here for the fruition of this project. Thank you.